2020 Bravo Superstar, 36-foot long, gooseneck up front here. It has the 2x6 extension up front here so you don't damage your cab of your truck. A lot of options, all exterior LED lighting. Forward cab compartment here with a hydraulic landing gear, inverter, dual batteries. Side entrance here. The entire exterior of the trailer has all LED lighting, LED reverse lighting. Lights up like Christmas. You'll see all the exterior lighting here. Exterior working lights. Has the spread axles on it, tandem Dexter axles, 14,000 GVW. Has all exterior power outlets here. 110 power outlets. It has roof air and heat. You'll see all the reverse lighting here, backside lighting on it. Trailer itself, the entire trailer has probably less than 5,000 miles on it. It's not been used much. 2,000 of those miles were bringing it here to Lake Havasu City. Has the tail on the back with the LED lighting for load lighting. There are power outlets all through the inside of it. You can tell it's had limited use. Has all power switches back here for all the deck lighting. The LED lighting up on the ceiling. Work lighting there. Has one vent center here. The deck floor itself, it has forgot the easy track attachment, so if you want to carry stuff along the sides, again, the power down the sides of it. Tie downs. The deck itself is 28 feet. Trailer's 8.5 wide, or we'll get the measurements. We'll have all the specs. In fact, a build sheet at Spud's Garage for you to look at. Has the concierge door on the side here. The sleeper up front is, he's had a king bed up here and put a curtain across. This ladder folds up here. Shore power cord is right there. It drops through the floor over there. Side windows were added for the sleeping area. There's dome lights here. Power here. Here's the build sheet right here. Has the winch cord on it. The winch cable comes out through that compartment down there. These has the upgraded storage compartments in the floor. These three up forward are open compartments with nothing in them, and the back one here is where the spare is. Turn around here and head back out. I'm sure I missed something. I'll have a lot of specs at Spud's Garage. Beautiful trailer, all seamless, attached siding. It's all been insulated. Again, 7,000 pound axles, 14,000 GVW, 2020. This has exterior power like the other side, so you have 110 outside if you're plugged in. We'll have, again, we'll have all these photos of the trailer at Spud's Garage. Bravo trailer. Here's the hydraulic landing gear controls here. This compartment up here has the dual battery setup. The electric winch that comes through the inside of the trailer there. The hydraulic landing gear, dual batteries. date code on the tires are the build date of the trailer.